Hey there guys, Hacker1MC here today with another web application to help you with your day-to-day needs. Today's need is converting between the English characters to the standard galactic alphabet, as well as ciphering up and down and even inverting character order backwards. How to use this program is typing anything you wish into the left side, and then getting your translation on the right, as well as if you are able to use a keyboard setting or a copy paste, you can take input from this side and get it back to the other side. You can also clear text, which is useful if you're copying and pasting. This is the setting where you can shift your characters up or down. It also has the option to turn off auto-translating if that goes too quickly. And the max character length is a setting that could be used in the future, but it's set on 3 because the T character in Standard Galactic Alphabet is actually 3 symbols long. Language A is set by standard to English, but you can also change these if you only want ciphering. So, as you can see, if I type in ABC here, it will just give it back because it won't detect for SGA. If I switch back and I type in ABC normally, it will translate them, I'll shift them up one to BCD. This is useful for if you want to type a message but you don't want it to be immediately visible, but you also don't want to use any different characters. On the help page, you can see my description inside the app about it for if people come across the app or you send it to them and they don't know what it is. You can also go into the settings and have their characters in reverse. So if we set this back to 0 and you have the characters in reverse, you can see as ABC becomes ZYX. And similarly, ZYX would become ABC. And you could also type in this side as just reversing it will go both ways. But if you have shifting characters up by 1, ABC will rather give an output of first it will be ZYX, but then it will shift it up to AZY. To shift it down characters from left to right, then don't put in a negative, put it in a positive. So you do 26 minus 5 for if you want 5 down, and then you get 21, and then it will be the same as shifting that way, but it'll shift it down. Some of this could also be achieved by using this website here, where you can type here and it will give you the same results here, but the T has an extra space, which is not useful. And below, it will show that it has error. And this also cannot do the ciphering up and down. And this will never be updated to involve being able to create your own character sets in their own orders, which I am going to program to be able to do in the near future. The way this was coded was starting off with my basic template that has events that listen for all of these buttons, and also with these details at the top. This just referring to all of these. And it's Translator by me. It's made for ciphers and ᓵ𝙹. And of course, it's not meant for professional business or military use, which is kind of just a joke because there would be no way anybody should ever consider using something like this for professional business or military use. My program code starts off with doing my includes and my micro includes, where this is replacement for a function that JavaScript usually has built in, but in this version of JavaScript, it's old, so I had to write this script myself. These are the variables for the full character sets of both languages. And then these are all of the different pieces of my code, which you can check out by going to the same link that's in the description, but adding /view at the end of it. If you want and you're able in coding, you can also click Remix here, and for example, go up here and then edit these to create your own version, but that is up to you. You could just keep using mine and wait for the update where you can make your own inside. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please like and subscribe if you want to catch all future updates and content. And of course, if you want to use this with your friends using iMessage or an other online chatting website, you are free to use the link in the description however you like.